Hi guys. So today Eva Hair NYC sent me this box. And yeah, it's hair products. I've seen their brand everywhere on Instagram. Everybody uses their brand. Everybody loves their brand. I was like, I need to try it. So luckily, they accepted me. Yay, finally. And these are the products. They sent me a shampoo and conditioner. First off, their packaging is very, very cute, right? It's so pretty. It's girly, it's colorful. I love the packaging. So this is their main magic 10-in-1 shampoo, and this is argan oil plus baobab seed. Girl, I don't really know how to say it. Okay, so it's the same with the conditioner, same ingredients. Okay, so the shampoo is purple cap, conditioner pink cap. What else? So this has no sulfates, parabens, phthalates. It's vegan, cruelty free. So if you already know, sulfates is really, really bad for your hair. Okay, it makes your hair more damaged, dry, ugly. It's just not good. Okay, so if you want soft, clean, healthy hair, please use shampoo with no sulfates. I have seen a difference. You don't even have to use this brand. Just make sure it says no sulfates, like, please. Okay, it's really damaging to your hair, not only for your hair but for your health. It has a lot of chemicals. It's not good for your health because you shampoo your hair, it goes directly to your scalp, and then that scalp goes inside your bloodstream. So we don't want that. Okay. So if you don't want to get sick, or you don't want crappy hair, then use these shampoos. Okay, so this is also 100% recyclable, which is pretty nice. They do have a recycling program, so once you finish using their shampoo or whatever hair product they have, you clean it well, and then I think you can go to TerraCycle. I'll put the website here, and you can print out a free shipping label from Eva Hair and then ship it out. Okay, if you don't find it at the Eva Hair NYC website, then just go to TerraCycle. But yeah, it's pretty cool. This brand does that. Most brands don't, so I like that. Okay, thank you, brand. Who? Wait, it's because their Instagram says Eva Hair NYC, but here at the right here in the bottle it says Eva NYC. So I don't freaking know the full name anymore. But yeah, thank you, Eva NYC, for doing that. It's very helpful for the environment. Okay, so what else? So supposedly this strengthens, revitalizes, reduces frizz, softens, moisturizes, nourishes, reduces breakage, smooths, increased manageability, healthy look and feel. Okay, so I claim to have a lot of good products. Okay, facts. So I'm gonna do an up close shot so you can read it more if you want to read and don't want me to tell you. Okay, I hope it. Okay, let me. I couldn't say. Okay, I think there. It's pretty cool. Okay, let me show you the conditioner close up as well. Yeah, I almost forgot. I always forget to do both. Okay, there. I hope y'all can see. Oh well, whatever. Okay, so this smells very good. Okay, I love the scent. I don't know how to describe it, but it's very unique. It's not a common shampoo hair product scent. Usually it smells more like a body lotion, I don't know, or perfume. It smells very good. It smells very light, creamy. Yeah, like sweet, very sweetie. Sweetie. It smells sweet. It smells, I don't know, like candy. Not really. It's, I don't know how, it's vanilla. Okay, vanilla, sweet candy with not coconut. I don't know. It smells like a mature woman that loves sweets. That sweet scent, but not make it like super childish, gummy bear sweet like most brands do. but it doesn't smell fruity either, or candy, like candy gum, like, oh, I don't know, like I'm bad at describing it, but it smells very good, very sweet, very, it's not common sense, it smells good. It's like, I wish they sold a perfume like this, or a body lotion. It smells very good. Like, okay, so anyways, the product itself is white. I'll insert the clips here of me showing up close shots. I still haven't tried it yet, I know, but once I do, I'll do a full-on review of first impressions. But right now I'm mainly doing unboxing. So it is a pretty small, lightweight product. It doesn't have a lot of product, it looks like. I mean, I know it's filled all the way up here, but usually shampoo bottles are a little bit bigger. I don't know, we'll see how long this lasts. The conditioner, it smells the same. It smells very good. No, it smells the same, but it, I don't know why. The other day it smelled a little bit different, but I think it's the same. It smells very good. Okay, so it's just traditional conditioner, shampoo, fill. Overall, first impressions, I love it. This brand looks promising. And oh yeah, and I've seen the glitter spray that's been trending, like, what, since last year. I want it so bad. I haven't tried it, but you can spray it all over your hair and it looks so cool and sparkly. And yeah, they have a bunch of cool products. They also have hair masks, they have hair protection spray, they have everything hair care related. I don't know if they have hot tools right now, I don't know, but I'll put it here. I'll put their website everywhere. This was free and gifted, by the way, and this I did not receive through a platform. This was from the brand directly. So yeah, I filled out a form and they kindly accepted me. Yay. So this is how I received these products. So in case y'all are interested, or you can email them or DM the brand personally on Instagram and hope for the best. And yeah, yay, thank you so much, Eva NYC, for sending me your shampoo and conditioner. So happy to try it out. Okay, bye. Thank you so much. Bye.